My name is Catherine, welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to be doing something very difficult, and that is painting my nails with a nail art kit. Now, I have two different kinds of nail art kits today. I have blueberry and I have a cactus. Now, I'll admit I've tried the cactus one before, did not work out well. These are the pictures on the side. If you can see, apparently they're supposed to like come out like that. I don't know what's going on in the second one. She's like sprinkling it, like it's like those sugar sprinkle things that you put on cupcakes. Somehow I don't think that that's gonna work out. And this one, apparently it looks like this. It's supposed to look beautiful. So I thought, okay, you know what? I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna see how it goes. Hopefully it doesn't go terribly, but if it does, it does. I have my No Mess Express. These are amazing. They're like wipes and they have nail polish like remover on them, and you literally just wipe your nails with them and it just comes off. It literally gets rid of all of the nail varnish. It is amazing. If you see these, pick them up. If you paint your nails regularly, honestly, they'll be really helpful for you. So, I have my pink nail varnish for the cactuses. I've got my little tub of cactuses here. Wow, this camera is shit. I do apologise for the shitty camera. I got that for Amazon, so no more need to be said. And I've got my purpley kind of nail varnish for the blueberries, and I've got my little blueberries here too. There you go. So that's what we're working with today. I think I'm going to try the blueberry one first and see how that goes. Hopefully it won't go terribly, although I haven't painted my nails in a long time. I work in a cafe, so I can't really paint my nails much. Unfortunately, you don't have that luxury because of hygiene, and obviously no one wants to find a piece of nail varnish in their food. Ew. So I haven't painted my nails for so long. I used to paint them all the time. When I was in high school, I literally had the craziest things going on with my nails. It was mad. But I haven't done it for a while, and I have a case of shaky hand. So here goes nothing. What's the worst that could happen? I've got my dustpan and brush and my bin beside me, you know, just in case, because you never know. I think the nail polish, like painting my nails part, is easy for me, because it's like, well, the thumb's the easiest part in my opinion, because you just have more of a surface area. It's when you get to like the little nail, that's when it's like really difficult. Okay, so far so good. I haven't got it everywhere. Oh my god, nails. Oh, this stuff smells so bad. I don't know how quick she's supposed to be either. I just don't think it doesn't dry too fast and I can't stick them on. I don't know how the hell I'm supposed to like do the other one. It's not perfect. I'm like, okay, you can't really see my thumb, but it's not going like everywhere, but I'm not the beauty guru. Nails painted. I think I did pretty well. I didn't do terribly. I didn't do as bad as I thought I would. Now I have to somehow put on the little blueberries. So if I get one little blueberry, stick it on. Oh, that's cute. I mean, it's not terrible. I need to decide how many I'm going to put on. I think I'm going to put one on each nail and then see how it looks. Let's see. I can put like, oh no. See, they're really big. Some of them are really big and some of them are really small. I'm going to put two on there. I'm going to put them in a diagonal position. Okay, looking good, looking good. Please stay on. Let's go in. Well. Oh wow. I never claimed to be good at stuff. Okay? How am I gonna get this off? I'll figure it out. I tried sprinkling these on, they'll go everywhere. I don't think they'd stick because they're not sticking. They're just slanging all over the place. Slide plus slod. I am an artiste. Completely. I do for fun. Oh, I paint my nails, darling, with nail art kits. I'm a nail artist, darling. Not it, honey. This is not it. Look at that. Look at this monstrosity. What is this? What? Oh my days. Well, you know what? I tried. Said I wasn't a nail artist. So, for someone who's not a nail artist, it's not terrible. You could literally not do anything with these. You could not be practical with these at all. These are like all show, but if you wanted to like live your daily life, unless you literally never used your hands, it would be impossible. What? Not doing a bad job considering this is my left hand. Pink though. Look at that. Painting my nails for a video. Yes, this was an idea I had. I really struggle when it comes to ideas for videos. I like sit there and I'm like, I need to make a video. So I haven't made a video for a while. And then I'm like, okay, so what should I do? And I'm like, I don't fucking know. Something. You should do something. So this is what you're getting today. Subscribe! Alright. Nails painted pink. I'm not really a fan of like the bright pink, but I like that this has come out not as pink. Let's put on some cactuses. Ah, beautiful. Pretty sure you're supposed to have like a pair of special tweezers. What on earth is that? Look at that. Look at that. You can get a general idea. I'm not good at this. My friend actually got me this nail art kit for my birthday because I went through a phase where I was like big on cactuses, like I loved them. Thank you, Chloe. Looks nothing like the picture. The picture hasn't got any white borders around it. Do not look. Oh no, I did it upside down. Oh no, I dropped one. Oh well. Shit happens. See, my nail varnish is drying, so they're not sticking. I have to be quick. Oh my god. I can't do this. No. I lost one. No. Remember the falling. Oh my god, these nails are so impractical. You can't do anything with them. Last looks. I cannot wait to get this shit off. I'm sorry. I'm not a girly person and I'm obviously not a beauty guru. Yep. I think I'm gonna rate these a 3 out of 10 because the actual nail varnish I would put on my nails, but the nail art kit is just a no-go. So that's all I've got time for today. I hope you enjoyed this video and you're having a wonderful morning, afternoon, evening and day in general. I've been Catherine and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!